Morning guys, nandito na kami sa Petronas Twin Tower. As you can see, yan. Dalawang tower yan, tapos may bridge siya na dalawa connected sa isa't isa. The tower 1 made by Korean and the tower 2 made by Japanese. You know.
Take a picture. Yeah. And please.
1 month to, tita.
No. Pag anak, ganyan. Wala, no. Dili, no. Ikaw,
Wait lang, tita. Naka-video to eh.
The higher top. That's it. You have to stop. Yeah, that's it. And then quickly, yeah.